A young couple discovers a lost civilization inside their antique freezer. The freezer contains a miniature, working medieval city. They find a fast-moving time-dilated civilization developing. Time inside the freezer moves at an incredibly accelerated rate compared to our world. In a matter of minutes, the world from the Industrial Revolution to the modern world we know today. As a beautiful city unfolded before the eyes of the couple, a nuclear holocaust unloaded right in front of them. To their delight, the freezer world rebuilt itself and is going through an age of futuristic technology. They ultimately evolve into a race of energy beings, return to a singularity, and vanish from the freezer.